You're posting every day on Facebook and you're not getting paid. I'm sorry, but it's not because Facebook is broken. It's because the way you're posting is blocking monetization. I hate to break it to you, but Facebook does not pay us based on effort. It pays based on how long people stay, how much they interact, and how much they engage on your content. Trust me, once you understand that, everything is going to change. Point blank, Facebook follows patterns. Now, once your content starts to follow those patterns, monetization starts to become predictable. So in this video, I'm going to break down one of the exact type of content that is going to trigger monetization. The niche I'm going to be putting you guys onto today for free is going to be current events. It does not have to be politics and it does not have to be controversial, but I would rather if you did make it controversial because that means more engagement. For this niche, you're going to be posting about news stories and articles. Posts that are going to make people stop strolling, react, and comment. Posts that are going to make people feel emotional. Facebook absolutely loves these type of posts because people naturally read them longer, watch them longer, comment more, and they tend to share their opinions. Engagement. So here's exactly the type of posts that work the best. Have unusual or shocking news, current events, like something that literally just happened. Have emotional stories, things that are going to get people emotionally involved. Or it's something like a missing child or something that happened in someone's family. Stories that are basically going to make people stop and say, wow, I didn't know that. Or wow, that's crazy. Like I shared a post that was about menstruational blood and how scientists are using it to regenerate cells. Like that's something that not everybody is going to know, and it definitely grabbed attention. Now, here's the mistake that most people make. So when you're finding these viral headlines, these viral posts, when you're finding these on Facebook, because you are supposed to use another Facebook page as a news source, Fox 5 or whatever you're using as your source, you cannot copy and paste their headline. You have to create a whole nother headline. Facebook is able to pick up when you are completely stealing someone's post. So that's not what we're about to do. So the whole thing with this current events niche is that find these viral posts from pages who have already posted them. You take that post and you make it yours. You're able to take someone else's post and make it yours as long as you edit it enough where it's not detectable. So here's the exact structure I need you guys to be following to do this. First step you're going to do is you're going to pull one of these articles or stories from a trending page. 2, you're going to rewrite the hook. Never ever copy and paste a headline. You want your headline to be curiosity driven. Like you have to be able to stop someone from strolling. So for instance, most people are just now finding out that this happened. Step 3, you're going to add context. Break down the story in a simple, easy to read context. Only 1 or 2 paragraphs max. You want it to be easy to read and not overwhelming. Step 4, you need to end the context with engagement bait. This part is absolutely crucial. You need to ask questions that invite opinions, not a yes or no answer. We need more engagement. Examples, what are your thoughts on this? I think this was handled right, or would you have done the same thing? This is exactly what's going to push people to comment, and those comments is what's going to push Facebook to monetize your posts. I'm telling you guys, Facebook wants people to stay on their platform. So when you create content that is going to be engaging and getting views and getting comments and getting shares, Facebook is then going to push out your content more. More time spent on your post is going to equal more money in your pocket. You do not have to be an expert. You do not have to show your face, and you do not have to go viral overnight. You need repeatable content that follows patterns that Facebook already rewards. Once you lock into one niche and post consistently, your monetization is going to stop feeling random and it's going to start to feel predictable. So if you're someone that's looking for more niches, this is exactly what I break down in my Facebook monetization ebook. I show you the exact structures, posting strategies, and timing that Facebook actually rewards. So you're not guessing. I just wanted to give you guys an example here just so you guys can see how this works in real time. So if you're interested in the Facebook monetization ebook, that's going to be linked below because you're going to already know what to expect. Now you guys know I can't give you guys all this information and not show you exactly how to create a post like this. So let's hop into a quick tutorial showing you guys how to create a post like this, because you are going to need a photo to post with this post unless you're using your video, but you are going to need a photo. So let's hop over to Canva and I'll show you exactly how to create a post like this. Okay, so these are the type of posts that we're going to be creating for our current event news articles. So on Canva, you're going to go ahead and search up frame, and we're going to go and grab the square picture frame so that we can input some pictures onto our post. I'm then going to go ahead and add a text. So this is super easy. As you guys can see, you're just going to input the headline of your article, whatever you're posting about. Then we're going to add another circle to this post and you want to make sure it has a border around it. This is all on Canva. So after that, you're just going to go ahead and drag and drop your images that you get from Google according to whatever article you are creating. And that's going to leave you with these finished products. You guys can see this is an easy, faceless way to create content that is going to stand out. So if this is a niche that you think you'll be interested in, go ahead and give it a try. Let me know in the comments what niche you're currently posting in. So that's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys need any specific videos pertaining to Facebook monetization, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make you a video. The goal is for 2026 to get you guys monetized and in your content creator bags, and you can do it faceless. I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Thanks so much for watching. Peace and much love. Bye guys.